Hello guys, welcome back amid renovation of Moi International Sports Center and locally abbreviated as MICC. Locally referred as Kasarani Stadium, a multi-purpose stadium in Kasarani, Kenya. It was built in 1987 for all African Games held in Kenya. The facility include a 55,000-seater stadium with a running track and a pitch used for football and rugby union. Competition size, swimming pool, and an indoor arena. The 108 capacity bed hotel. Stadium is located 1612 meters above the sea level. So guys, let me give you a small history about Kasarani Stadium. During a visit to China in 1980, Kenyan President Daniel Arap Moi requested that China funds a national sports center for Kenya. After signing a series of protocol and agreements, China began to work on the Moi International Center in 1982. In 1987, China completed the first phase and turned the center over to Kenya in time for all African Games later that year. The sports complex later appeared in 20 Kenyan shillings. The stadium was closed in January 2010 for renovation works worth 900 million, funded by grant to Kenyan government of Kenya by the government of China. Chinese firm Shengli Engineering Construction Company Limited was constructed to conduct renovation. And guys, apart from that, the main arena is used by the Kenya national football team. Most of its home games, and as well as the Kenyan Premier Leagues. Guys, Kasarani Indoor Arena consists of 5,000 seats and host volleyball, gymnasium, basketball, badminton, and many more. So guys, amid renovation of the Kasarani Stadium, over a bid of the Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania bid to host the African that is CAF to host Africa Cup of World Cup, I think so. So Kasarani was closed and it was supposed to undergo renovation. As you can see from the view right now, there is renovation taking place, and everyone can say indeed they're doing a very good job. As you can see, the seats right here, they are good, and the TV installation, they are back. So guys, Kasarani was closed again so that renovation may take place. Early this year there was a inspection by the CAF heads and management, and they said Kasarani Stadium is up to standards to host the CAF. But guys, in this bid, if you go back in time, you will find out that Tanzania had already have their stadiums ready. If you go to Uganda, their stadiums are ready. But people have been speculating, and they were telling us that in as much as Kasarani, they're putting new canopies and new floodlights, and they're doing some new renovation, carpeting, and making sure that the grass is up to standard to host the Africa Cup of Nations. So guys, that is the AFCON. Of course, the AFCON is supposed to happen in 2027, but there's a pre-AFCON which is supposed to happen this year in August. Indeed, it was postponed to that time. So as we look at it, people have been saying that Kasarani has substandard canopies. Do you believe that it is true, or am I just speculating? As you can see, even from the grass, we were checking on how it looks like, and I can testify that indeed they are doing a very good work. And guys, if you didn't know about Kasarani Stadium, take much to see and see how it is. It is a 55,000 capacity seater, the second biggest stadium after the newest stadium in Kenya, which is being built in Jamhuri, that is the Talanta Sports City. So guys, if this will be done and will be finished, I think we shall see how Kasarani Stadium will look like. But for now guys, let's see you on the next part. I love you. Bye. Please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to Otera Station TV, and make sure you share, like, and thank you. Bye.